Wait, do you feel that? That little wiggle? I think it's time. To the potty! Let's go!
Let's go!
I gotta go!
Go!
I gotta go!
Go!
Listen to your tummy, listen to your body. It's time to go and sit on the potty. Wiggle, wiggle, stop. Yes, wiggle, wiggle, go. Potty time is number one.
You can do it!
Number one.
You can do it!
Stay down, sit down.
Sit down!
Sit. Step 3,
Wait for it! Wait for it!
Third step for success!
yay!
I knew you could do it! You're a big kid now!
I did